Launch your idea in just 5 short days with ClickFunnels 2.0 first funnel challenge and turn it into a business that you are proud of, even if you have no tech skills, product to promote, or have any idea what a funnel is. If you are struggling to start or grow your business, there is no one who understands it better than me. I've been there. And ClickFunnels products were really a shortcut to achieving what I want. And I know it can help you too. The best part is, this first funnel challenge is completely free and you get tons of value. It starts very soon, in couple days. It includes famous speakers. In the first day you will learn all about funnel hacking, how you can literally and ethically steal what's already working from your competitors and apply it to your business, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. In day 2 you will learn what funnel you should build. In day 3 you will learn hook, story and offer, which is crucial. If your funnel is not converting, it's either because of hook, story or the offer. Day 4, Irresistible Ads. And day 5, do it now. After the challenge you will gain clarity what direction to go with your business. You will feel confident, you will have step-by-step action plan and motivation to achieve all your dreams. And there are also free bonuses. The first one is virtual event with the world's greatest funnel builders, so you can learn their secrets and apply it to your business. People like Dean Graziosi, Grant Cardone and more. Now if you are worried that you don't have anything to sell, bonus 2 will show you how to make sales even if you don't have a product. And in bonus 3 there is a special funnel install sessions. So normally the value is $3,000 and you will get everything for free. And you will also get special mega bonuses from me. I will help you transfer your funnels from ClickFunnels 1.0 to 2.0. If you already have some ClickFunnels referrals, I will help you import them so you don't lose those recurring commissions every month. Then you will get access to private community where you will get support. You will get access to ClickFunnels 2.0 mastery course that I prepared for you. You'll get weekly coaching, so you get accountability and can actually have success. And you are getting all these bonuses from Russell Brunson and from me completely free. All you need to do is join the challenge with the link below or somewhere around this video, which will take you to this page where you just enter your best email address so I know where to send the mega bonuses, and that will redirect you here where you can join the challenge. Just click, enter your email address again and join your first funnel challenge. So click the link and I will see you inside, and I can't wait to help you achieve all your dreams and goals and take your business to the next level and send you all those mega bonuses. Okay? Let's go. Hey, I'm Mario, and if you want to start or grow your business from anywhere, please subscribe so I can help you live a life beyond your wildest dreams.